Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and I welcome you all in class 8th physics chemistry class. Today we will study about the third chapter elements, compound and mixture part 1. In this video we will study about the classification of matter, pure substances, characteristic of pure substances and the element. So let's start first the classification of matter. As you all know, what is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space. So, on the chemical composition of a matter, the matter is broadly divided into two parts. First is the pure substances and second is the impure substance. Impure substances are also known as mixture. Now, the pure substances, these are furtherly divided into elements and compounds. And impure substances, these are again furtherly divided into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Now, this element is furtherly divided into three. What are that three parts are? Metal, non-metal and metalloids. Compound are again divided into two. First is the electrovalent compound and covalent. Homogeneous mixture. The homogeneous mixture, it is again furtherly divided into the two. First is the solution and second is the alloy. And heterogeneous mixture, it is again furtherly divided into the colloid and suspension. So in this way the matter is furtherly divided into in these parts and we will study all these things. So first start with the pure substances. So the pure substances are made up of one type of atoms or molecules. That means the pure substances are that substances which is made up of only one type of molecule or atom. So made up of only one type of atom or molecule. These are having definite properties and the definite characteristic. So let's see their characteristic. The first characteristic of the pure substances, that these substances having the definite composition. These having the definite composition. Next, they are also having definite properties. like their boiling point, their melting point, their taste, their smell, so that they are having the definite properties. One more important thing is that they are homogeneous in nature, that means they remain same throughout. Homogeneous means they remain, the substance remain same throughout it. Now they are having the fixed chemical properties. They are also having the fixed chemical properties, as I already told you here in the definite property. So this is all about the characteristic of the pure substances, which is very, very important. Now let's move toward the element. Now the elements are the pure substances. Elements are the pure substances of the molecule, या इसको आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं the pure substances whose molecules consist only one type of atoms. Pure substances whose molecule consist of the same type of that means whose molecule consists of one type of atom. If any molecule who is made up of only one type of atom, that is called the element. So the element, it may be of monoatomic, that means only with one atom. Mono means one, that means monoatomic. It may be diatomic, it may be triatomic, and it may be polyatomic. Now these types of element can be consist here. Now on the basis of the characteristic of the elements, the element is, as I told you, furtherly divided into the metals, non-metals and metalloids. So if you will go through the periodic table where these elements are placed, so as per the periodic table, the metals are present on the left side of the periodic table. These are present on the right side of the periodic table, and the metalloids, these metalloids are present between these metals and metalloids. Now element, till now 118 elements are known, in which 92 are the present in nature and 26 made in laboratory. So this is all about the first topic, the classification of matter, pure substances, characteristic of pure substances and the elements. Now the rest of the topics of this chapter we will study in the next video. Till then, watch the video. Bye bye. Thank you.